Esophageal cancer is cancer of the food pipe. That is the tube that takes food from the mouth to the stomach. Unfortunately for people with esophageal cancer, only 1 in 4 of them will live beyond 5 years following diagnosis. This is mainly because the vast majority of these people do not respond to current treatment. We want to change this, and we believe that the answers are within the immune system. So the immune system in our bodies is our body's way of seeing, finding, and killing cancer. But unfortunately, in cancer patients, the immune system is often weakened and not working properly. So there are new types of drugs called immunotherapies, which actually strengthen the immune system and allow it to eradicate the cancer. In our team, we are looking at a particular type of immune cell called a natural killer cell. Natural killer cells do exactly as they say on the tin. They are the assassins of the immune system. They can effectively find and kill cancer. However, again, in people with cancer, natural killer cells are often not working properly, and we want to correct this. What our team have found is in esophageal cancer patients with the condition of obesity, the natural killer cells are pulled into what is called the abdominal fat. So most of the abdominal fat lies here under the stomach, and this disables them from moving towards the tumour. So if we think of the abdominal fat as a swamp that is pulling in these natural killer cells, and if we think of the esophagus as a hill that the natural killer cells need to climb, this swamp of fat is causing the natural killer cells to become stuck and disabling them from moving towards the esophagus. We have identified 2 novel treatments that may be able to free these natural killer cells to move away from this swamp of fat and climb the mountain to reach and kill the tumour. E6130, based on evidence we have generated already, can free the natural killer cells from the fat and allow them to move towards the esophagus, recognize the tumour and destroy it. The second type of therapy is a natural killer cell therapy. This is a living drug. So how this works is we can take the natural killer cells from a healthy individual who does not have cancer. We can then edit them in the lab to have a GPS. And this GPS, just like in a car, enables the natural killer cells to move towards the tumour instead of towards the fat. Our findings so far are very promising, and we hope that our research will eventually transform outcomes for patients and allow those living with esophageal cancer and with the condition of obesity to have increased survival.